What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning into another video. Rush from OPT7 here. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and install our Mustang Aero LED turn signals on this 2016 Mustang GT. It's going to give it a nice updated look since it has the switchback and sequential functions with those Aero LED turn signals. So let's get right into it. To begin the installation of the Aero sequential LED turn signals, we begin by raising the vehicle. After raising the vehicle, be sure to have your jack stands in place for safety. Start off by rotating the wheels to the opposite direction you're working on. If you're working on the left side, rotate your wheels to the right side. This will give you enough room to go ahead and pull the fender liner back. In order to pull the fender liner back, you will need to remove two tabs. Once those two tabs have been removed, that'll expose the fog light area. We then proceed to removing the wiring, harnesses from all the components of the fog light area. Tucking the wiring harness to the side, we can proceed to removing the 9 bolts that hold the assembly in place. Once all the bolts have been removed, there's one last bolt that connects the fender and the bumper together that will have to be taken out as well. Once we have taken all the bolts out, we can go ahead and pop out the assembly. Once our assembly has been removed from the vehicle, we can go ahead and remove the 3 bolts that hold our stock turn signal in place to go ahead and swap our new LED turn signal in there. Returning the 3 bolts into place, we can now begin the reinstallation of the assembly into the front bumper. Just follow the steps in reverse order to reassemble the assembly. Be sure to test the turn signals before concluding the installation. And that will go ahead and conclude the Aero sequential LED turn signal installation. Alrighty guys, so that's going to go ahead and conclude our installation of the Mustang Aero LED turn signals. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did find it helpful, make sure you leave a like on this video. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name is Rush, and we'll see you guys next time.